Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I am so excited, but we are finally going to be able to battle my Ipsy GLAM Bag Plus versus my two Boxycharms. So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. So I don't think I was able to do a battle of the boxes last month because for some reason my boxes that I personally pay for just come so sporadically. Typically I don't get my Ipsy and my Boxycharm until the end of the month, and by that point I've already been getting my PR for the following month, so I just end up not filming these anymore. It's so sad because I love doing battle of the boxes, but it's here. We finally get to do it. I was definitely not the biggest fan of my PR box that I got from Ipsy. I had a sarong which just looked great. I figured it out. This is how it's worn. Definitely was not a fan of my base box, but I really did love my premium box because it was an ABH thing, which was fantastic. So I'm excited to dive in here. Hopefully we got some good items. And if you guys want to know what I'm wearing on my eye, I actually just did a review for the Shadow Kiss palette from Alter Ego. This video will be out tomorrow, so you guys will see how I got this look, but all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just dive straight on into Ipsy. Now Ipsy is $25 a month. You do get 5 full-size items. You get to customize 3 out of the 5 items, and you do get a Santa sack that goes with it. They put everything in my little Santa sack, you know, so like little ho 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 bitches. So the first thing that we got is a, ooh, looks to be a palette. This is from Beauty for Real. This is a Golden Hour Mango Butter eyeshadow palette. Now I know that like you can pick out the customizations, but a lot of times I tend to forget. And sometimes when I go in to go, oh yeah, I get to customize, I don't really get to pick that much options because it's pretty much picked out, like already like sold out. So hopefully I have some good stuff in here. But oh wow, this is the palette right here. This is the Beauty for Real. This is the Golden eyeshadow palette. Wow, this is really beautiful. That Golden Ray palette is just looking so stunning right now. The way it just like glimmers. Do you guys see? Oh my God, that is so pretty. All right, let me swatch that shade because that just looks, whoa. Holy shit. That is freaking stunning. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, let's try Reflections. Ooh, what? All right, let's try Solstice. Wow, okay, these are swatching beautifully. Let's swatch Infinite. Wow, that is amazing. All right, last shade we're gonna swatch is Pink Sands. Oh my God, I just love how that looks. That is freaking beautiful. I'm definitely gonna have to play around this palette. I am surprised at the quality, that shade, that golden shade, the Golden Ray. I mean, just the way that it just reflects the light. Like I just take this. It's very harsh. Like it's very harsh. It does not feel smooth on like in the slightest. It feels very, very harsh, but like seriously. Like just look at that. Wow. That is freaking beautiful. That is freaking awesome. Sweet. This is exciting. Okay. All right. Next, we have something from, it's from Your Eyes Only. This is the Half Caked. Oh my God, this is a freaking floppy disk. You know what's sad is that I feel like the younger generation is not going to know what a floppy disk is. They're going to be like, what's that? I remember my mom used to work at a different location in Disney long time ago. I used to have to go with her to her office, and she had so many floppy disks. Like, I don't even know if you can even use them still. Like, I don't even know if any computer can even take a floppy disk, but this is exactly what it looks like. Throwback to the 90s. I love it. So I guess this is from Your Eyes Only. I don't know what the company is, but let's take a look. Oh. You know, when you look at your pink palette and then you're like brown on the inside, doesn't really make sense to me in the slightest. I thought this would be a really pretty pink palette. They definitely dropped the ball on this one, but I do like the design of it. But yeah, no. Definitely not for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put that into my No Waste Wednesday. I don't know the brand, unless the brand is called Half Caked but I don't know the brand, unfortunately. Alrighty, next we got an Eye Maquillage Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthening Mascara. Now, I actually did receive this in my PR, so I'm going to go ahead and put this onto my No Waste Wednesday since I already have it. I haven't tried it out yet, but I really did like how the wand looked. So here we have this. Then we have a Orza Beauty. This is a Malibu Sunrise Ombre Blusher. Oh, it's like just a blush that is an ombre. I guess it's cool. It feels a little cheap, but it's pretty. All right, then last but not least, we do have something from Juice Beauty. This is an SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. Oh, that's cool. So this just helps to prevent sunburn. And that seems like that's all it is. Just an SPF oil-free moisturizer, which is going to be really good for me because I'm really, really oily. And I like to have moisturizers that are oil-free because sometimes moisturizers that have oil in them can accentuate the oil, especially putting on anything SPF. Oh my God, does it accentuate my oil? So that's kind of nice that this is oil-free. All right, guys, so that is everything we got in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. We got 2 eyeshadow palettes, a blush, and a mascara, along with a skincare. I would definitely say this is a lot better than the PR one I got. Remember, the PR one, I got my freaking sarong, and it was just not pretty, not flattering. But then we also have, like I said, the infamous Santa sack. Ho, ho, ho. I love it. That was a pretty good box. All right, so moving on to our Boxycharm Base box right here. Now, the other one I got was like pretty much just all skincare, and I was like, what is this? So I hope we got some makeup in this, because I was just bragging about how I generally have been loving my base box more than my premium and luxe box. They've been like top notch, but now I'm a little worried. Okay, so first things first. Okay, so we have a this is the, where are you? This is the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. The retail for $49.99. Definitely will not get a use out of this. So this is going to go straight into my No Waste Wednesday. Yeah. All right, next we have something from Beauty Bakery. I just saw this at Morphe the other day. Oh, it's so cool. All right, so this is a flour setting powder. This finely milled, translucent flour setting powder allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for a long day wear. This colorless formula puts the oily face battle to rest. Oh, it's on. It will noticeably blur your pores and soften your complexion, leaving you with a beautiful matte finish. Retails for $24. First off, I just think the packaging on this is just so freaking cute. I freaking love that. I don't really have that many products from Beauty Bakery, but like I said, I just saw them inside Morphe the other day. I love the packaging. That is so freaking cool. All right, so I'm definitely going to have to give this a go. Hope it smells good. Oh my God, that smells kind of sweet. And this just popped off. So here is the translucent setting powder. Kind of has like a little bit of like a soft vanilla. Oh my God. It has like a scent of like a soft vanilla scent. That is really nice. I'm going to have to try this out. Now it just looked like I was freaking like doing drugs. I'm definitely gonna have to try that out because that looks really cool. And if it really combats the oil, oh my God, that'd be a saving grace. So we're definitely putting this to the test. All right, so next we have the Pharmacy. This is the Whipped Greens. This is the oil-free foaming cleanser. This retails for $28. And I did receive this in my last PR unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday just because I have my own and I don't need to have a second one. But I haven't tried it, but I heard good things. All right, so next we have Outre 8-in-1 plus CBD leave-in conditioner. So it says that this leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. Enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damages, balances moistures, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. Retails for $30. This is by Use Me Hair. Ooh. Oh, bitch, what do you smell like? Oh my God, you smell like oh my God, you kind of smell like Dove a little bit. Is it Dove? No, Pantene? No. Yes, Pantene Pro V. That's what it kind of smells like. Oh, that's exciting. I love anything for hair. That's cool. All right, and last but not least, we have this Basic Beauty Lip Oil. It says, ready for a quick pampering session for your lips. This hydrating lip oil nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil for effortless shine and instantly reduces appearance of lip lines. Retails for $18. So this is the lip oil right here. Oh, that smells really, really... That smells really good. It smells like coconuts. Okay, that is awesome. So overall in this box, we got 2 makeup items and 2 skincare items and 1 hair care product. Now, I definitely think this is more of a balanced box. You guys know when I love having a balanced box or like a 3-to-2 ratio. Last time my PR box was just pretty much all skincare, so it's nice to kind of have a variety. Is it my favorite box? No, it's definitely not my favorite box. I definitely wish there was more makeup in here than just skincare, and I feel like I can say that for a lot of people because I know that reading my comment section, a lot of you guys just get the basic box, so a lot of you have been disappointed lately with what you guys been getting, and I don't blame you. But yeah, definitely not my favorite box in the slightest. I would say if I had to battle it just between Boxycharm Base box and Ipsy would have won hands down. All right, so next we do have my Boxycharm Premium box. Yay! Okay, so here we have the Premium box, which again is the Norvina collection with Boxycharm. And if I have any duplicates in here, you guys already know that I'm putting this into my No Waste Wednesday. Now, I really, really loved my premium box I got for my PR. That was so freaking cool. I don't really have that many products from ABH, so it's nice to kind of add these to my collection and give myself a chance to try these out. So I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to go ahead and dive straight on in. So the thing that we have is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the loose setting powder. And I did receive this in my last PR unboxing. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know how well it holds up with oily skin. But this is supposed to give you a flawless matte finish with a silky formula that gives your complexion a seamless, soft focus effect that blurs the look of imperfections and extends the wear of your makeup, and retails for $38. Now, again, I don't know how the formula is. I don't know how well it works. If I don't care for it, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my No Waste Wednesday. I have not tried the one I received yet, but sometimes I do like to have backups of some setting powders because I go through setting powders like crazy because I'm so oily. I always need them, but this is super cool. I'm excited. All right, next we do have the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. This retails for $25, and I already have this, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. I haven't used the one I already have. I think I have 2 of these now, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. Next, we do have the Brow Definer Angled Pencil. This is in soft brown, and again, I received this in my personal PR box, so this retails for $23. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. If it's not your color, I'm so sorry, but this is just so cool. Ooh. Next, I have a brush. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 Pro Brush Domed Kabuki Brush. A A30 Pro Brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a medium-sized round brush with firm synthetic fibers, ideal for blending emollients based products with medium to full coverage on the face and body. What the heck is emollient? Emollient? What is that? What? That's cool though. I always like having extra brushes. I think this is the first ABH brush I have. I don't even want to like include the ones that came in like my ABH palettes because those don't count, but that's actually really cool. Next, I saw a lot of people saying they want this. We have the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Dewy Setting Spray. It says the Dewy Setting Spray. The Dewy Setting Spray by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a coconut vanilla scented setting spray that seamlessly blends products together as it sets makeups, leaving the complexion with a dewy, never oily, radiant finish. This gentle mist is ideal for those who have dry skin or those who want to achieve the ultimate dewy glow. This retails for $26. You guys already know that's not going to work for me. It's just, we're not going to be friends. I'm sorry, I can't be your friend because it's ideal for dry skin and I have very oily skin, so I could only just imagine what this will do to my oil. I don't even want to know, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday as well. All right, so last but not least, we do have one of the ABH palettes. They're Navian palettes. I don't know which one this is. Ooh, ow, my ear. Ooh, which one are you? This is the the Volume 1 palette. Okay, so this is a carefully curated by Narvina herself. The ABH Beverly Hills Narvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1 is a professional grade artistry palette featuring 25 deluxe size high-performing shades. This retails for $60. Hold up. It also says A2, A3, A5, B1, B3, B4, B5, C4, C5, D2, D3, D4, D5, E1, E2, E3, and E5 are not intended for the use around the immediate eye area. I hate when eyeshadow companies, I hate when palettes say that. Like, then why make that shade? If it's not safe for the immediate eye area, why are you putting it in here? Oh, that's so annoying. So here we have the Volume 1 palette. I actually do not own this palette. I own 3 and 4. I think those are the only 2 that I own, just because these are $60 a piece and they're quite expensive for what they are. So this is kind of exciting. Let's see. Okay, so this is why I didn't really own it. The color scheme just never really made sense to me. A lot of purples, a lot of pinks, some colorful pops of blues and oranges and reds in here. It definitely is a pretty palette. Kind of out of sorts though, because it's really jumbled. I feel like if this was organized better, I might have gotten it back in the day. I just feel like this is really jumbled everywhere. It doesn't necessarily make sense. But I do think it's really cool that I only paid $35 for this box and I have a $60 palette. So that is definitely really cool. I think this is a fantastic box. I love when Boxycharm collaborates with brands and they have a box dedicated to just that brand. I think it's so cool. It's a great way for subscribers to try out a brand if they haven't been able to. It's a great way to allow subscribers to get a chance to try out some really expensive stuff. So I think that is awesome. Definitely will say this is not a fair battle because obviously I would say that Boxypremium has definitely won the battle, but I'll just say that between Boxycharm Base Box and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, Ipsy for sure won the battle of the boxes. We'll just not count the ABH portion box because that's just not fair, but for sure, I feel like Ipsy won that battle hands down. And yeah, these videos are always so much fun to do. Sorry I didn't film this one separately. It's like I said, these have been coming so sporadically. They come when they come. I never know when they come anymore. So, yeah, guys, that's just my quick battle of the boxes. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. I'm even thinking about doing 6 times a week because I generally just love filming and being here. Also, please head over to my other channel. It's Art for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing fiance. Wow, my amazing husband, Corey. I've got to stop saying fiance. I'm still not using the fact that we're married. My amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you. I'll see you guys very next video. Bye. Shana, 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 shana. All right, so next we have this oil-free foaming. Hey guys, one of you guys farted. I heard it. I heard the little toot toot. Shana, 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 shana.